Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a gallery in Notion. So let's get started. So now here we are in Notion, and to create a gallery, you need the page, just like so. If you don't know how to do that, click on the plus sign right here. And once I've created a page, name it whatever you want. And once you were done with that, then from here, you want to type slash and type gallery. And click on gallery view so that you would be able to create a gallery right here. And of course, you would need a data source. So in this one, you would want to create or select a data source right here that is very similar to what you want to happen with your gallery, or you can just click on the new database right here, and then you would have this empty database right here. And from here, you can just edit your own gallery right here. So all you have to do now is maybe you can drag some photos just like so right here. For example, I'll drag this photo right here. And then as you can see, it would now have this YouTube logo right here. And now as you can see, we now have a gallery. So if you want to turn this, so maybe a recipes gallery right there. So you can go for recipes, and then you can go and put your details on this one, and then you would have some pictures of the dishes right here instead of this logo. Then you could also do that. So yeah, this is basically the basics on how you can create a gallery in Notion. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.